Hey guys, my name's Nate and I'm the Outdoorsman. In this video we're going to be opening up the 2018 Cairn Box for December 2018. This one seems like it's in collaboration with POW or Protect Our Winters. On the back it says find yourself in a winter wonderland. I'm not going to show you the back because it has my address on it. So if you're noticing, if you're a regular viewer, recently I've had Cassie in it and a lot of people have really liked having her, and I'm going to try and I may have her in here more. The only reason I don't have her with me in this box right now is she's really sick. She just has a really bad cold. And if I sound off in this video, it's because I recently had the same cold. She got it from me. So, yeah, if I sound off grainy or if I sneeze or cough and I don't edit it out, I'm sorry. But let's see what's in this pouch. I love these pouches because it's kind of like a Christmas gift to myself. But let's go. Let's see what we got. Let's open up the first one. Oh, cool. That's another. So first thing that I get out of it is a coal hat. So I've gotten coal hats from them in the past. Let me zoom this out so I can get this a little bit. I'm just zoom these in just so you don't see as much. But so I've gotten a coal hat from them. One of the ones which was a coal which had the Yuko use, and this one's actually a thicker one. It feels like, which is made. This one is a collaboration with Protect Our Winters. Let's see what it's made out of. Polyester and acrylic, which I think the other one is wool, and this one's polyester and acrylic. That's good. Let's try it on. So it's not wool, but it's actually pretty comfy. A little bit looser. So with the wool, like the other one was the one I have, the Yuko one that I have through coal is, I think, merino wool, and it's pretty comfy. I wear that one on occasion. I don't wear knit caps like this as much because if you ever watch my video on migraines, I like the tightness of a cap, but I like the warmness of these for like at least at night when I go out. So yeah, this cap's actually pretty comfy. Cause I like caps like this when it gets like really cold to cover my ears, at least at night. Sometimes when I'm outside doing things. And this one, actually, I get some really good coverage compared to some of my other caps I have. So this one's actually pretty good, and especially where the ears are, because this double folds where it is. This covers it up really well. And with it being polyester and acrylic, it's not going to shrink like a wool one is, so it may be a bit easier to clean. Whereas wool, I'm generally a little bit more afraid to clean it. So, but, and when I say afraid to clean it, I'm better at cleaning wool and I don't clean it as often. But anyways, let's move on. I'll keep this on. Let's see. No-sew patches. Permanent adhesive. So these are, if you get a hole in some of your gear, you can cover it up. So I like actually getting these. I'm not going to test it out because I actually like keeping these. I love having repair kits like these because sometimes equipment like equipment gets holes. Every so often, gear, if you use it, will get a hole in it. And I love getting it through the Cairn boxes because I don't know when I'll get it, and this is no-sew patch, It's just nosopatch.com. I like these because I'll keep them in my office like this, and I'll keep them in, I have a few different spots I keep stuff like this in, and if something breaks or gets a hole in it, I will patch it with one of these, or I'll use some of the repair kits that I get from these to give it a quick little touch up. So it's a nice set of mine in case something breaks and I go, oh crap, what do I use to fix it? So I've had to reach into some of these kits before. So it's really nice. But yeah, so Nosopatch. That is that brand. Let's see, what else do we got? Okay, I'm not going to reach into this because I don't feel like reaching into it, but it's a big one. But it's Clif Bars Energy Granola Crisp. They're blueberry crisp, which is, Clif has been coming out with a lot of different stuff. Normally I test a lot of the foods, but right now I really don't feel like it. We'll keep it a shorter video. But it's essentially, it looks like you got granola, it looks like you got some like oat granola, some almonds, some blueberries, rolled oats, yeah, pea protein crisps, cane sugar, brown sugar, oat flour, dried blueberries, pumpkin seeds, almonds. Yeah, pretty much. So something like this, I may actually, because the amount of it that's in here, I may end up saving something like this that would be good for the trail to keep in a bag and kind of eat as I go, rather than eat here. But it looks really decent. That's why sometimes I don't always test. If it's a bar, I'll test it on camera, but if it's something like this, I don't always test it on camera because it either requires processing or it may be better to just, save if it's bigger. Even though this isn't, it looks like a resealable pack, I'm gonna save it. But it looks pretty decent. It looks like your standard, it really just looks like your standard granola made by Clif. The Clif has been, it seems like they've reached out from the Clif bars. Because the standard Clif bar, I used to really like them when I first got into like more the hardcore hiking. When I say hardcore hiking, I mean more than just a quick walk around the park. And getting into more like overnight hiking and stuff like that, and needing more protein bars. And now it's they're on my list of my least favorites. I don't go out of my way to buy them. I go out of my way to get better bars, because there's way better bars out there than Clif. Clif by far has made some of my least favorite products for hiking now. So I tend to buy different brands. But anyways, so that's kind of where it is. We have 3 different products in this. Let me check to make sure I'm not missing anything. And Kohl's hats are actually pretty expensive. I've looked at other hats from them. Because generally it's one of the things, sometimes when I get a hat that I like, when I get hat brands through them, or through other companies, or I see hats that I like, I tend to look at them because I'm a hat guy, as I said. So we got the Kohl PAW collaboration hat, which is polyester and acrylic, which feels really warm. We have the No-So patch and the Clif Energy Granola, which is blueberry crisp. You can vote for it up here in the iCard. Which one is your favorite? Personally, my favorite is this hat, but that's because I like hats. I'm very much a hat guy, if you couldn't tell, by the fact that I wear hats. But yeah, so this is kind of been a short video. If I don't see you guys in the next video, well, I'll most likely see you guys in the next video, but again, this is kind of been it. I'll see you guys in the next video. But if I don't catch you, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, if that's probably already passed, but if not, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. But I will see you in the next video. I'm going to try and put out something for Christmas. But anyways, see everyone. Get outside, have fun. My name's Nate, I'm the Outdoorsman. See ya.